Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, my name is Daniel, and I want to run you through with rewriting the rules with artificial intelligence. My partner, Ngozi, she has left. So I'm the founder of One Prompt. One Prompt AI is a startup company that helps to empower African on understanding AI solutions. So basically, we are keen to AI safety. Please, next slide, please. So it's very important that every one of us have this understanding of AI so that we can be able to thrive in our workflows. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence basically is the simulation of human intelligence in machine just to be able to think and learn like humans. So in artificial intelligence, what happens is we train the AI to understand data. We use pattern recognition, machine learning, and we use that to solve problems. Now, if you look here, you would see that there is repetitive. In AI, what we do is we try to simulate every repetitive job. If I ask you what job you are in now, it's not a new job. So somebody have done that job before. And if somebody have done that job before, then we already know how to get that job done. So that job is repetitive. If you go out of that job, somebody else will come in and take that job role and do that job the same way. So that job is repetitive. The person that gave you the food you want to eat now, somebody else can do that job. That means it's repetitive. And if you read Ecclesiastes 1:9, it says that there is nothing new under the earth. And what that means is that what I am doing today is not new. What you are doing today is not new. And what AI does is AI is trying to replicate anything that is repetitive. So whatever is repetitive, AI can bring solution to that. In fact, anything that is repetitive, AI can replace anybody in that. So whatever you are doing now, it will just take maybe a matter of 10 years, AI can replace anything you are doing. However, you can also come to the side of AI to be those people that will replace other people. Next slide, please. Now, types of AI. I won't go into details. We have narrow AI and generative AI. Narrow AI is an AI that does one specific task, just one specific task. For example, the seeing AI. There's an AI that is called the seeing AI. It can only see. It's for the blind. So those people that are blind, they can put it on their app and it will show them the pathway on how to go. Right? That's the seeing AI. There's an AI that can mop your floor for you. It does one specific thing. So those AI we call narrow AI. We have generative general AI that can perform many tasks. Before now we don't have problem because AI does one thing, but now AI can do so many things. We are coming to the point where we have AGI, that's artificial general intelligence. That's going to be in the nearest future, maybe 5 years from now, that can do so many tasks at once. And you think about it, you are a business owner and you pay your staffs, you have 10 staffs, you pay them $100 per day. And so for every day, you are paying $1,000, right? If you are paying $1,000 and you pay $1,000 for 1 week, that's how much? $7,000. If you have $7,000 for you are paying as salaries for 1 week, and we create an AI that can make your job simple. You buy that AI for $5,000 and it will do the job of the 10 people. If you are a business owner, what will you do? Will you buy that AI? So when you see Apple, you see many big organizations in the US laying 10,000 staff, 20,000 staff, 5,000 staffs. You know what is happening. They are looking at business continuity and they are taking good business decisions. So what they are doing is they have to be profitable, right? If you partner in Apple, you buy their stocks, you want to get more gain, and they want to make that happen. How do they make that happen? By bringing down the level of their staff commitment in terms of funds and making profit available for you. Please, next slide. This is history of AI. We can't run through this, but actually AI started around 1950. And in 2022, that's where we have the big hit where ChatGPT came to play. And today we are in 2025. We have so many generative AI. We have a lot of humanoid that is taking. In fact, if you have a child that is 5 year old, when that child will start getting into the future of work, the child may not meet humans as people he will work with. He may not meet so many humans, but he will meet humanoids, robots that he has to cope with, he has to work with. In fact, the cars you will buy, they are self-driving cars. You have to think about it. They will be self-driving cars. Every car dealers will have to start buying self-driving cars. So you can change from manual to self-driven. So we need to come to understand that AI has come to stay and we need to cope with it. We need to understand what AI is so that we are not so scared. However, we need to also understand the safety part of AI. Next slide, please. So this is the value chain, the AI value chain by 2033. And if you see retail, travel, transport, all this, right? This is the value chain that AI will be getting in billions of dollars in the nearest future. So if you are thinking of something or you are thinking of a niche or a business you want to go into, I'm giving you something that you might want to look into. Also, you want to also look at what powers AI. Data powers AI. So if you are going to data, you are in good money. Electricity powers AI. If you are going to electricity, you are in good money. Water powers AI. In the nearest future, AI will be dragging the water we will take in. So if you want to go into water, you want to understand water, you are in good business. If you want to go into chips making like Nvidia, like those companies that make chips, and if you want to also invest your money in it, you are in good business. You will get your investment on return. Why? Because AGI is not here. When AGI would come, we are going to consume a lot of compute power. We need a lot of data, and all this would increase in the future. Next, please. Who is investing in AI? You can read up this. Next, please. Revenues, you can read up this. Next, please. So AI is also affecting the software industry. I'm a software product manager. I build software. These guys, thank you. So I'm a software product manager. I build software. I have teams, engineers, backend, front end, DevOps, and so AI is also hitting the software industry. Let's go. Let's go to the next slide, please. We are transforming industries with AI. So healthcare is being transformed with AI. So what happened is we have the data of scans. Let's say you have the data of scans of 5 years. Everybody that came to scan for cancer, you have the data of scan for 5 years. You are in the healthcare industry. Now you train the AI to understand what is cancer and what is not cancer. So when it's this, when it formed this is in stage 1, this is stage 2 cancer, this is stage 3 cancer, this is not cancer yet. You have trained the AI to understand those information about cancers. So when you have somebody that is not even in the stage 1 cancer and comes to scan in your organization, once it's scanning, the AI solution is already, because of the data, the pool of data it has, you can say, oh, this person is not yet formed to a stage 1 cancer. There is still possibility of the person getting health. So you can see AI is already transforming the healthcare industry. If you go to your ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT a lot of questions, right? Oh, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. In fact, so many people tell ChatGPT what they can't tell their doctors. They tell ChatGPT what they can't tell their mom, their dad, their siblings, and many things. Somebody was speaking about education, and I wanted to speak, but I just reserved. Students tell ChatGPT more stuff that they would not tell their teachers. So think about it. Is ChatGPT taking the place of teachers in the student's life? That's not a question we want to answer today. Transportation. There's an AI that already drives long truck. In the US and some other advanced nations, people don't want to take transportation jobs because they don't pay well. But now, there's an AI I know about that they're already building that is taking control of the transportation industry. Finance. We know about finance. AI can trade, AI can do a lot of stuff for us. Retail, chatbots, and co. There are so many things AI can do. Next, please. AI in everyday life. Please, next, please. We have smart homes and so on. I don't want to take a lot. Next, please. All this is what AI can do. AI in retail. Next, please. AI in healthcare system, I've spoken about it. Machine learning. All these stuffs or concepts are what you can really understand if you just go sit back and listen. They will also be available on LinkedIn. What I'm doing now is recorded. It's be available on LinkedIn. You can have it on our social media handles, YouTube, and so on. You can engage yourself there, and you can learn more. Many other videos will be posted there, so you can also engage. But machine learning is a subset of AI where algorithms learn from data. So what this means is that machine can learn. I gave you an instance of scans results of those that want to come and scan if they have cancer. Now we have 1,000 of those scans. Let's say another country do not even have that scan at all. So Nigeria have 1,000. We have scanned and we have labeled and we have trained the AI to understand that this is cancer, stage 1 cancer, stage 2 cancer, stage 3 cancer, and this is not a cancer. Now the problem can be that those people that do this labeling, we call them data labelers. So they label this data. If a data labeler is labeling the data and does not even understand the data is labeling, there will be a trouble. Because somebody can go and label a stage 1 cancer as a stage 2 cancer. And when they scan somebody and this person doesn't even have it doesn't even have a stage 2 cancer, but the data labeler has mistakenly labeled the data of stage 1 cancer as stage 2. Now the AI will say you have a stage 2 cancer. You can see where the problem is. So that is why we have to do quality check. We have to also do AI safety measures just to make sure that whatever information and data we are giving to AI, we can rely on it. So AI is not just AI. AI is what humans have trained AI to be. AI is not something that will just come from the blues to take anything. AI is what humans that have trained the AI to be. ChatGPT that we use today, I think a few months ago, we already know that ChatGPT have a PhD brain. Why? Because we have a lot of PhD holders that are now being involved in training the machine learning model that is used for the ChatGPT 5 we use today. Then then we use transformer model, but now we use reasoning model. So transformer model is that you tell the AI what to do, it gives you something back. But reasoning, you tell the AI what to do, it reasons about it, it thinks on it, and it gives you an answer. So AI has advanced today. There's no work you want to do now that you cannot do with AI. I'm a software product manager. I write everything I want with AI, but I give it correct prompt. I'm coming there. Deep learning is also where you can teach the machine learning model to understand more algorithm and more. So AI thrives on data and power. If you have a lot data, you have a lot power, AI can really thrive there. But if you don't have data, then your AI model would be weak. Please, next slide, please. This is machine learning. Now, this is my screen actually. What you can see is my own screen. I just screenshotted and gave you. So what you can do, go to Teachable Machine. I go there, just create an account. You can try to understand what machine learning is. Upload some pictures and ask the AI, what picture is this? It will tell you, this is not a bread, this is a bread. Train it with a bread, train it with a cat, train it with this and that. Just go to Teachable Machine. You see there's open for everybody. I think it's an open source. Everybody can just get access to it just to be able to understand machine learning. I trained this on images of dogs and images of bread. Now, I put the image of bread to it and I ask it, what is it? Is it a bread or a cat? It will tell you it's a bread. You can put a cat, you say it's not a bread, it's a cat, it will give you the right information. Next, please. So you can go here and see. So this is supervised learning. Supervised learning is it's a learning technique that you have to process the data, teaching the computer what is and what is not. You go on Facebook, you tag people, they will ask you, who is this? And you say, this is John. You are also part of the people that is teaching the machine learning model on what to do. You use ChatGPT. You are also training the machine learning model of ChatGPT. let's just go forward. So just go to the last slides. We don't have all the time. Just last. Just go. Okay, smart tips. Sorry, smart tips. Understand before you use. Understand AI before you use. I won't explain further. Ask better question, prompt well. Now, the future belongs to prompters. So what do I mean by prompters? Those that can ask the right question to ChatGPT. In fact, if you want to ask ChatGPT question and you know you cannot ask the right question, all you can just do is tell ChatGPT, I want to ask you this question. How should I ask you this question? It will give you the right prompt. Then you can get something to do. Develop AI literacy, protect sensitive data. So for me, I started my AI journey in 2024, last year around March. I did AI fundamentals with Microsoft. Then I took Coursera courses, and everything I'm teaching you, I learned them online. So when she was saying, give your 1 hour every day to learning online, you just be good. I tell you, you will just be good. Um, Protect your sensitive data. Please don't upload company information there because you are also giving it's open source. Use AI to save time, not keep thinking. Please think. Stay ethical and transparent. Continuous experiment and data. Please come to the place where you can connect with us. So, like I said before, we are one prompt. So what we do, we want to empower AI future leaders. And our goal for this year is to empower at least 5,000 AI future leaders. How do we empower them? By training, by giving them hands-on experience. You can link up with us, LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp. These are numbers. This is the Gmail account you want to send any message. Thank you.